Hey, what's going on, guys? Thanks for tuning in. So I'm going to show you a quick video how to unlock your 2023 Talaria Sting. When they come from factory, it is locked to about 20 miles per hour, even on sport mode. So I'm going to show you how to unlock it to get the full speed of about 46 to 47 miles per hour. All right, so this one's already unlocked, so I'm just going to take you through the process. What you're going to do is you're going to turn on your bike. All right, once your bike is on, what you're going to do is you're going to hold down the start button for 6 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, then you're going to pump your left brake 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to click the start button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. After you do that, your 2023 Talaria Sting should be unlocked to full speed. So I did it a little slower, but what you want to do is just do it continuously. So, hold it for 6 seconds, the start button, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 pumps on the left brake, and then 1, 2, 3, 4 clicks on the start button. And after that, your 2023 Talaria Sting will be unlocked for full speed potential. Guys, if you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, hit that thumbs up button, and also ring that notification bell for future notifications of my videos. You can also grab a 2023 Talaria Sting from ebikezilla.com. Those are my boys. Hit them up. They'll take care of you. But I'm telling you, this thing is definitely worth it. Till next time, thank you guys for watching. Peace out.